Today we're talking about center part hairstyles and haircuts. Who are they good for? How do you get it? And why should you have one? So most people, actually every single person, has a natural parting in their hair, which means that when you brush your hair back, it's gonna split or fall in a natural pattern. I know a lot of people complain, oh, my hair just keeps falling to the side, or that's because your natural parting, that's what it is, okay? And you're stuck with that unless you try to change it and do some sort of blow drying techniques to try to, change up your natural parting. But everyone has a natural parting. It could be on the side, center, wherever it is. If your hair naturally splits right down the middle, that's fine, okay? Typically, when people have center partings, they have very similar types of hairstyles. And there's a pretty large number of hairstyles that you can have. Usually you'll see a lot of haircuts like this, right? Like an undercut haircut, or the hair is a bit longer because since the hair is evenly parted right here in the center, the hair wants to just fall naturally to each side, okay? So this is gonna fall this way, this is gonna fall this way. So if you are somebody who has this and complains all the time, why does my hair keep falling and it splits right down the middle, that's because that's your natural growth pattern of how the hair grows from your scalp. And it's going to split, and the longer your hair is, the more it's going to lay down this way. It may be a little bit, flatter or closer to the head, especially when the hair is longer like this. So a center part is a great thing because you can achieve this type of hairstyle. The hair is always going to split. Just make sure that when you are getting your haircut, make sure it's very even and balanced, because a haircut like this it takes a lot of precision to get this type of look. So when you're getting your haircut, make sure you are checking your stylist, your barber, make sure that they're balancing out and properly checking that the hair is even. Have you ever gone and gotten your haircut and you go home and it's like one side's down here and the other side's like way up here? It's like an inch and a half uneven? Let me know, because I'm curious to know. But for haircuts like this, it really is about precision. So make sure you're getting your haircut checked to ensure it's balanced. Another example of a center parting type of hairstyle is something like this, where yes, it's parted, or you don't really see a part, but it's separating towards the middle right here, which means the flow kind of goes away and to each side. So this goes over this way, this goes over this way. This is one of those things where I like to say, it's just like a very natural center part. So you can say, I want my hair to go back, but I want it to be kind of like the parting in the center, but I don't want to make the parting so obvious. So you're going to get a lot of volume in here, and you can brush the hair over this each way without it looking so severe. So this is a great option for somebody who wants a center type of hairstyle, center parting, but with a different option. All right, and then lastly, for someone who's got super, super long hair, this is something that I've seen many, many times, where the hair just wants to split right down the middle and the hair is very, very long, okay? It's great for putting it back in, ponytails like this, but this is something that's very, very common. Also, what's cool about center parting is that you're able to flip the hair over to like either way. So you can flip the hair over this way, you can flip the hair over this way. It gives a lot of diversity because it's not so set in stone that it has to be here, has to be here. Okay, even if it is right down the middle, you can still flip it to both sides. What's going to happen is you're going to get a lot of volume right in the center because you're going across it. So you're getting a lot of volume and lift this way, and a lot of volume and lift going this way. All right, so that's what's also really cool about a center parting. So let me know in the comments below if you have a center part, if you maybe you're inspired to get a new hairstyle. I'd really love to know. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.